the tree. Go ahead. That's the tree. So you can't really see it that well, but that's okay. You get the idea. Go on! Woo! Follow me, bitches. Oh, whoa! I'm up here. Woo! You can see it. You can see it more of it.
Yeah! One Direction, crack it up! We can't hear you! Yeah! I'm serious. Working! Crack it!
Twerk! Come on, get down.
No, I'd like you up here.
All right.
Down. No.
Say hi, Icy Ice.
Hi, I'm Icy Ice 2003, and don't mind Victoria that says that at school.
Alright, we will see you later. And Victoria, we're just kidding. We do like you. So, I'm Ken 2000.
And Icy Ice 2003, that's the Thor house.